मैं हूँ रश्मि चौधरी एंड वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो सीरीज। यहाँ हम कवर करेंगे नितिन सिंघानिया की आर्ट एंड कल्चर की फिफ्थ एडिशन जो कि लेटेस्ट एडिशन है। इस किताब को हम थॉरली रीड करेंगे, जहाँ ज़रूरत पड़ेगी समझाएंगे भी, और साथ ही यूपीएससी और स्टेट पीएससीज में आए हुए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। इस सीरीज में एक वीडियो 30 से 35 मिनट्स की होगी, बट इफेक्टिव होगी। 40 से 45 लेक्चर्स में पूरी किताब कवर हो जाएगी। अगर आपने ये सीरीज 3 से 4 बार देख ली तो बिल्कुल ये किताब आपके दिमाग में छप जाएगी एंड योर एक्यूरेसी विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज। ऑल्सो आपका रिवीजन काफी आसान हो जाएगा। तो अगर आपको रिवीजन के साथ साथ वैल्यू एडिशन भी करना है तो ये सीरीज पूरी फॉलो करें। आपको बस अपने पास ये किताब रख कर मुझे सुनना है और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मार्क करने हैं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल घटना सूत्र। यहाँ हम कवर कर रहे हैं नितिन सिंघानिया की आर्ट एंड कल्चर की फिफ्थ एडिशन की किताब जो कि लेटेस्ट एडिशन है। और हम इसमें चैप्टर 10 स्टार्ट कर चुके थे जिसका हमने इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट देखा था। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे विद द फेमस डांसेस, क्लासिकल डांसेस ऑफ इंडिया। तो सबसे पहले है भरतनाट्यम। कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है ये? मुझे लगता है ये आपको इसके साइड में ही ब्रैकेट में लिख लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि एसोसिएशन किस स्टेट से एसोसिएटेड है इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव। सो यहाँ पे आप तमिलनाडु अगर लिख लेंगे और आप रिवाइज करेंगे तो ये काफी ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट हो जाएगा। तो ये तमिलनाडु से एसोसिएटेड है और ये एमपीपीसीएस 1994 में पूछा जा चुका क्वेश्चन है। Let's start. Oldest among all classical dance forms, Bharatnatyam derives its name from Bharata Muni and Natyam, which means dance in Tamil. However, other scholars have ascribed the name Bharata to Bhav, Rag and Tal. यहाँ पे आपको इमेज दिखेगा एक डांसर का, एमिनेंट डांसर का, जो कि यहाँ पे आपको भरतनाट्यम के मूव्स करते हुए दिख रही है। द ओरिजिन ऑफ दिस डांस फॉर्म कैन बी ट्रेस्ड बैक टू सादिर, द सोलो डांस परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द टेम्पल डांसर्स ऑफ देवदासीज और देवदासीज इन तमिलनाडु। हेंस इट इज ऑल्सो रेफर्ड टू एज दशियट्टम। ये एक दूसरा नाम हो सकता है जो कि एक स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में जरूर पूछा जा सकता है। With the decline of the Devadasi system, the art too became nearly extinct. However, the efforts of E. Krishna Iyer (1897 to 1968), a prominent freedom fighter, revived this dance form. Previously, this dance form was performed by solo female dancers. It has since become increasingly popular among male and group artists as well. Rukmini Devi Erindale, 1904 to 1986, another famous proponent of Bharatanatyam, is remembered for giving global recognition to the dance. रुक्मिणी देवी अरिंडेल ये किस डांस फॉर्म से एसोसिएटेड है? ये क्वेश्चन सीएससी 2009 में तो आ ही चुका है, एमपीपीसीएस 1999 एंड 1994 में भी आ चुका है। तो यहाँ पे आप डबल स्टार लगा लें क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन मल्टीपल टाइम्स आया हुआ है एग्जाम में, तो दिस बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सबसे पहले तो किस स्टेट से एसोसिएटेड है, ऑल्सो कहाँ के कौन से प्रोपोनेंट्स हैं इस डांस के, तो ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। In the early 19th century, four dance teachers of Tanjore defined the elements of a Bharatanatyam recital. They are as follows. Allaripu, flowering bud. It is an invocatory piece of performance which includes basic dance postures and is accompanied with rhythmic syllables. It symbolizes offerings of respects to God, the Guru, and the audience, and to seek the blessings of God. It is the first dance piece in Bharatanatyam performance. Jati Swaram. It is the nritya component and is devoid of expressions, and it includes different poses and movements. Next is Shabdam. It is the dramatic element with expressed words, which includes the abhinay in the song. It is generally in praise of glory of God. Varnam, it is the nritya component. It is a combination of dance and emotions and is the most important part of the whole performance. It is synchronized with tal and rag to express the story. Next is Padam. It refers to a mastery over the abhinay expression of the spiritual message by the artist. Music becomes light, dance becomes emotional. Javali. These are short love lyrics performed at a faster tempo. Thilana, it is the concluding stage of the performance and comprises pure dance with exuberant movement and intricate rhythmic variations. The four Tanjavur teachers, known as Tanjore Quartet, are Chinnaya, Ponnaya, Vadivelu, and Sivanandam. Under them, Bharatnatyam also came to be known as Tanjore Natyam. Next, Bharatanatyam is often referred to as the fire dance as it is the manifestation of fire in the human body. Most of the movements in Bharatanatyam resemble that of a dancing flame. The dance comprises of adavu, steps, and hasta mudra, hand postures. The bhav abhinay, facial expression, is an important part of communication. At the beginning of the performance, Ganpati and Natraj are worshipped. The costume of men comprises of jacket and pajamas of Kanchipuram silk, and the costume of women is made of Banarasi silk. In this dance form, equal emphasis is given to both Tandav and Lasya aspects of dance with major emphasis on mudras. One of the principal mudras is Katak Mukh Hast, in which three fingers are joined to symbolize Om. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये है कटक मुख हस्त. In a Bharatnatyam recital, the knees are mostly bent and the weight is equally distributed across the feet. Bharatnatyam is also characterized by the Ekcharya Lasyam style in which one dancer plays many different roles. The main musical instruments used in Bharatnatyam performance are mridangam, veena, flute, etc. फेमस प्रोपोनेंट्स कौन कौन से, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको आप बहुत बार स्टार लगा लो, हाईलाइट कर लो, जो करना है करो, बस याद रखो. यामिनी कृष्णमूर्ति, लक्ष्मी विश्वनाथम. लक्ष्मी विश्वनाथम से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सीएससी 2001 में पूछा जा चुका है डायरेक्टली. पद्मा सुब्रमण्यम, मृणालिनी साराभाई, मल्लिका साराभाई, अलार्मेल वैली, एक्सेट्रा. और एक्सेट्रा में आप बहुत सारे नाम ऐसे नोट कर सकते हो जो एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं. सबसे पहले प्रतिभा प्रहलाद, सीएससी 2002 में पूछा जा चुका नाम. सोनल मानसिंह, यूके पीसीएस 2005 में पूछा जा चुका नाम, जो कि भरतनाट्यम से एसोसिएटेड है. नेक्स्ट इज प्रियदर्शनी गोविंद, सीएससी 2007 में पूछा जा चुका नाम, जो कि प्रोपोनेंट है भरतनाट्यम के. तो यहाँ पे आप नोट करके इसको रख सकते हो. सॉरी. Our next topic is कुचिपुड़ी. कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है? आंध्र प्रदेश से एसोसिएटेड है. और ये क्वेश्चन यूके पीसीएस 2002, एमपी पीसीएस 1994, 1995 में पूछा जा चुका है. तो दिस टॉपिक इज इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट. Originally performed by a group of actors going from village to village, known as Kustilavas. Kuchipudi derives its name from the village of Kustilavapuri or Kuchelapuram in Andhra Pradesh. Siddhendra Yogi, believed to have lived around 11th century, formalized and systemized the tradition by making this dance form more distinct and elegant by adopting the format of uh, Yakshagan, folk dance dramas. He authored Bham Kalapam and many other plays. With the advent of Vaishnavism, the dance form became a monopoly of the male Brahmins and began to be performed at temples. Stories of the Bhagavad Puran became a central theme of the recitals, and the dancers came to be known as Bhagavathalus. The dance form gained prominence under the patronage of Vijayanagar and Golconda rulers. However, it remained confined to villages and remained obscure till the advent of 20th century when Bala Saraswati and Ragini Devi revived this dance form. Lakshmi Narayan Shastri in the early 20th century brought in new practices such as solo recitals and female participation. Some of the features of Kuchipudi dance are as follows. It involves difficult foot movements and is generally a team performance. ये क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में सीएससी 1997 में पूछा जा चुका है कि एक टीम परफॉर्मेंस है या फिर सोलो परफॉर्मेंस है. Most of the Kuchipudi recitals are based on stories of Bhagavad Puran but have a secular theme. There is a predominance of Shringar Ras. सबसे पहले तो रस सबसे पहले तो recitals is the word that should be highlighted here. ये भी स्टेटमेंट में पूछा जा चुका है कि इस डांस में रिसाइटल्स होते हैं या नहीं. तो CSE 2012 का ये क्वेश्चन है. Each principal character introduces itself on the stage with a daru, which is a small composition of dance and song specifically choreographed for the revelation of each character. The dance involves all three components of classical dances, Nritta, Natya, and Nritya. It is similar to Bharatnatyam but has its own feature. The performance has the following parts: Sola part or Patakshara, the Nritya part where movements of the body is made. Uh, Kavut, Kavutvams, the Nritya part, which involves extensive acrobatics, it may also be performed as Nrita. Kuchipudi dance style is a manifestation of the earthly elements in the human body. In a Kuchipudi recital, the dancer may combine the role of a singer into themselves as well. Hence, it becomes a dance drama performance. Both lasya and tandav elements are important in the Kuchipudi dance form. Apart from group performances, there are some popular solo elements in Kuchipudi as well. Some of them are as follows. सबसे पहले तो मांडूक शब्दम tells the story of a frog. Tarangam, the dancer performs with their feet on the edge of the brass plate. ये स्टेटमेंट CSE 2012 में पूछा जा चुका है कि ये डांस फॉर्म में ब्रास प्लेट का एसोसिएशन है या नहीं. एंड बैलेंसिंग अ पॉट ऑफ वाटर ऑन द हेड और अ सेट ऑफ दियाज. फिर है जल चित्र नृत्यम. In this item, the dancer draws picture on the floor with their toes while dancing. A Kuchipudi recital is generally accompanied with Carnatic music, violin, and mridangam being the principal instruments. The recital is in Telugu language. The dress of male performers is called Bagalbandi and the female performers wear Banarasi. Famous proponents, Natya Kalanidhi Lakshmi Narayan Shastri, the father of solo format of Kuchipudi, काफी important, Bala Saraswati, Radha Reddy and Raja Reddy, यामिनी कृष्णमूर्ति. इन्होंने इनको आपने भरतनाट्यम में भी देखा होगा, तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. जब भी ऐसा कोई नाम आएगा जो कि दो डांसेस से एसोसिएटेड है, तो हमेशा एक ही डांस के बारे में ही पूछा जाएगा. तो आपको याद रखना है बस कि किससे किससे एसोसिएशन है इनके. इंद्रानी रहमान एक्सेट्रा. एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नाम जो कि CSA 2002 में पूछा गया है, दैट इज वमपति चिन्ह सत्यम. तो आप ये नोट करके रख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कथकली. कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है? केरला से एसोसिएटेड है. यूपी आरओ एंड एआरओ में पूछा गया ये क्वेश्चन 2013 में. In the temples of Kerala, two forms of dance drama, Ramanattam and Krishnanattam, evolved under the patronage of feudal lords, narrating episodes from Ramayana and Mahabharata. These folk drama traditions later became the source of Kathakali, which derived its name from the word Katha. Katha means story and Kali means meaning drama. It is closely related to Kodiyattam, Sanskrit drama tradition, and other ancient martial arts performance. It is a wonderful combination of music, dance, drama. However, with the breakdown of the feudal setup, Kathakali began declining as an art form. It was revived in 1930s by the famous Malayali poet V. N. Menon under the patronage of Mukunda Raj. Some of the features of Kathakali dance are as follows. Kathakali is generally an all-male troupe dance. Very important statement. बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग स्टेटमेंट है ये, इसीलिए एग्जाम में ऑफन पूछा गया है. और छत्तीसगढ़ PCS 2008 में ये पूछा जा चुका है. There is a minimal use of props in the Kathakali recital. However, very elaborate facial makeup along with a headgear is used for different characters. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं. The makeup of Orvesham is of 5 types: Pacha, Kathi, Khadi, Kari, and Minukku. Different colors have their own significance in the makeup. Green indicates nobility, divinity, virtue. Red patches besides the nose indicate royalty. Black is used to indicate evil and wickedness. Uh, Yellow is for saints and women. Completely red painted face indicates evil. White beard indicates being with higher consciousness and divinity. It involves both dance and drama, and two cannot be clearly separated. The performance starts with Keli Kottu calling attention of the audience and Todayam evoking the blessings of the gods. Most of the Kathakali recitals are a grand representation of the eternal conflict between good and evil. It draws its themes from the stories narrated in the epics and the Puranas. It is also called the Ballad of the East. The language used for Kathakali songs is Mani Pravalam, that is a mixture of Malayalam and Sanskrit. It may have evolved from Ramanattam. The text of Kathakali songs is called Atha Katha. Atta Katha. Music is important to rightfully convey the entire drama to the viewers. Different compositions of music are used during the performance to give depth to the drama. Uh, Gestures are perhaps the crown jewel of the entire dance drama. Kathakali is remarkable in the representation of the rasas through so sorry through movement of eye and eyebrows through which द स्टोरी इज कन्वेड। यहाँ पे एक स्टेटमेंट मुझे मिला जो कि यूपीपीसीएस 1992 में पूछा गया है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉल्ड द मास्क डांस, क्योंकि इसमें मास्क यूज होता है, मतलब फेस में ऐसा बनाया जाता है कि वो मास्क जैसा लगता है, तो इसमें आंसर था कथकली। The story is conveyed. Nine important facial expressions are called navarasas, are taught to convey the different emotions. Extensive hand gestures are also used. Therefore, this dance form calls for strenuous training. Mudras are used to convey the idea, which are based on Hastalakshan Deepika, a treatise on the language of hand gestures. Kathakali is generally performed in open air theatres covered with coarse mats or temple premises with lush green trees of Kerala providing a backdrop. A brass lamp is used for lighting. The arrival of dawn, accompanied with a continuous sound of drums, chenda, and madala, marks the beginning and end of the Kathakali recital. Kathakali symbolizes the element of sky or ether. Famous proponents Guru Kunchu Kuru, Gopinath, Kottakal Sivaraman, इनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सीएससी 2001 में पूछा जा चुका है कि ये किस डांस से एसोसिएटेड है, रीता गांगुली etc. Next, we'll move to Mohiniyattam. Kerala से associated है, again association से related question multiple times. CSE 2014, यूपीपीसीएस 2005, यूपी आरओ एआरओ 2013 में पूछा गया है। मोहिनी अट्टम और द डांस ऑफ एन enchantress. Mohini, meaning beautiful women, and Attam means dance, is essentially a solo dance performance. ये statement CSC 1997 में पूछा गया है। Solo dance performance by women that are further developed by Vadi Velu in the 19th century and gained prominence under the rulers of Travancore in present state of Kerala. So Kerala से associated है. The patronage of Swathi Thirunal, the Travancore ruler in the 19th century, is notable after it had fallen to obscurity. The famous Malayali poet V.N. Menon revived it along with Kalyani Amma. Some of the features of Mohiniyattam are as follows. Mohiniyattam combines grace and elegance of Bharatanatyam with the vigor of Kathakali. There is a marked absence of thumping of footsteps. Footwork is gentle. ये एक distinct feature है. Mohiniyattam generally narrates the story of feminine dance of Vishnu. It has its own nritya and nritya aspect like that of other classical dances. The lasya aspect, beauty, and grace of dance is dominant in a Mohiniyattam recital, hence, it is mainly performed by female dancers. The dance is accompanied by music and songs. The story is presented in the language called Mani Pravalam, which is a mix of Sanskrit and Malayalam. Costume is of special importance in Mohiniyattam, with white and off-white being the principal colors of saris called kasavu. तो साड़ी को क्या बोलते हैं इसमें कसावू बोलते हैं and presence of gold colored brocade design. There is no elaborate facial makeup. The dancer wears a leather strap with belts, ghungaru on her ankles. The elements of air is symbolized through a Mohiniyattam performance. The Attavakul and Attavus is a collection of 40 basic dance movements. So sorry. Musical instruments used are cymbals, veena, drums, and flute, among others. Famous proponents, again very important. Sunanda Nair, Kalamandalam Kalamandalam Shemavati. इनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सीएससी 2001 में पूछा जा चुका है, तो इसे आप अलग से हाईलाइट कर लें. माधुरी अम्मा, जय प्रभा मेनन, एक्सेट्रा. सबसे पहले नेक्स्ट वील मूव टू ओडिसी, जिसका नाम सुन के ही पता चलता है कि ये कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है. तो दिस इज एसोसिएटेड टू ओडिशा, और ये क्वेश्चन यूके पीसीएस 2006 एंड एमबी पीसीएस 1994 में पूछा गया है. The caves of Udaygiri Khandagiri provide some of the earliest example of Odissi dance. The dance form derives its name from Odra Nritya mentioned in the Natya Shastra. It was primarily practiced by the Maharis and patronized by Jain king Kharavela. With the advent of Vaishnavism in the region, the Mahari system became defunct. Instead, young boys were recruited and dressed as females to continue the art form. They came to be known as Gotipuas. Another variant of this art is Nartala, continued to be practiced at the royal courts. In the mid-20th century, Odissi gained international acclaim due to the efforts of Charles Fabry and Indrani Rahman. Some of the features of Odissi are as follows. It is similar to Bharatnatyam in the use of mudras and posture to express emotion. The Tribhanga posture is the bended form of the body is innate to Odissi dance form. Also, the chalk posture with hands spread out depicts masculinity. During the dance, the lower body remains largely static. So sorry. And there is only movement of the torso. Hand gestures play an important role in conveying expression during the Nritya part. Odissi dance form is unique in its representation of gracefulness, sensuality, and beauty. The dancers create intricate geometrical shapes and patterns with their bodies. Hence, it is known as mobile sculpture. ये आपको त्रिभंग posture दिखाया गया है यहाँ पे. The elements of Odissi dance form include the following: Mangalacharan, or the beginning where a flower is offered to Mother Earth. Batu Nritya, comprising the dance, it has Tribhanga and chalk posture. Pallavi, which includes use of facial expressions and the representation of the song. Tharijam, consisting of pure dance before conclusion. The concluding item is of two types. Moksha includes joyous movements signifying liberation. Trikhand, Trikhand Manjura is another way of concluding, in which the performer takes leave from the gods, the audience, and the stage. The Odissi dance is accompanied by Hindustani classical music, and instruments generally used are manjira, cymbals, pakhavaj drums, sitar, and flute. The dance form symbolizes the element of water. The lyrics of Gita Govinda written by Jayadev, ये क्वेश्चन हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में भी डिस्कस किया था, आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है, are used along with composition of some local poets. The women dancer wears an elaborate hairstyle along with silver jewelry and a long necklace. The dancers wear elaborate belt on their waist and ghungru on their feet. The female performers wear bright colored bomkai and sambalpuri saris. Famous proponents Guru Pankaj Charan Das, Guru Kelu Charan Mohapatra, Sonal Manse, Sharon हाँ शारन लोवन यूएसए एंड आनंदिनी दासी अर्जेंटीना एक और इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोपोनेंट हु इज मधुमिता राव इनका क्वेश्चन यूपीपीसीएस 1998 में पूछा जा चुका है तो यहाँ पे आप नोट कर सकते हैं मणिपुरी डांस की अगर हम बात करें तो कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है नाम से ही पता चल रहा है मणिपुर से एसोसिएटेड है ईस्टर्न फॉर्म भी बहुत बार पूछा जाता है कि इसमें से ईस्टर्न फॉर्म ऑफ डांस कौन सा है तो मणिपुरी है एमपीपीसीएस 1997 में क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली पूछा गया है The Manipuri dance form finds its mythological origin in the celestial dance of Shiva and Parvati in the valleys of Manipur, along with the local Gandharvas. The dance gained prominence with the advent of Vaishnavism in the 15th century. Krishna became the central theme of this dance. ये CSE 2017 में आ चुका क्वेश्चन है और ये स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड था तो इसमें एक स्टेटमेंट ये भी था कि कृष्णा सेंट्रल थीम होते हैं It is performed generally by female dancers. In modern times, Raja Bhag Chandra of Manipur in the 18th century tried to revive Manipuri dance. Rabindranath Tagore brought back the dance form into the limelight when he introduced it in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal. इसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा है last chapter में, very important. Some of the features of Manipuri dance are as follows. Manipuri dance is unique in its emphasis of devotion and not sensuality. The face are covered with a thin veil and facial expression ऐसा veil and facial expression is of lesser importance. Hand gestures and gentle movement of feet are important, while the dance incorporates both Tandav and Lasya. Emphasis is laid on the later. The female dancers wear unique long skirts, ऐसा. The focus is mainly on slow and gracious movement of hand and knee positions. Nagabandha Mudra is in which the body is connected through curves in the shape of eight is an important posture in the Manipuri dance form. Ras Leela Radha Krishna love story is a recurring theme of Manipuri dance recital. The drum pung is the intricate element of the recital. Flute, kartals, wood clapper, dhols, and other also accompany the music. The compositions of Jayadev and Chandidas are used extensively. Thangta and Sankirtana are also influenced by Manipuri dance. Famous proponents कौन-कौन से हैं? The Jhaveri sisters, Nayana, Suvarna, uh, Ranjana, Darshana, Guru Bipin Singh, N. Madhavi Devi, etc. और ये एन माधवी देवी के बारे में क्वेश्चन सीएससी 2001 में पूछा जा चुका है तो इसे आप हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं बाकी के बारे में अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा गया इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो आएगा नहीं वो आएगा तो प्रोपोनेंट्स एंड कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है ये डांस सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है लेकिन बीच से भी क्वेश्चंस आए हैं जैसे आपने देखा है तो दिस चैप्टर दिस कंप्लीट सेगमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू लुक एट द एग्जाम पेपर्स कथक कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है उत्तर प्रदेश एमपीपीसीएस 1994 यूपी आरओ एंड एआरओ 2013 में पूछा जा चुका क्वेश्चन Tracing its origin from the Ras Leela of Braj Bhumi, Kathak is the traditional dance form of Uttar Pradesh. Kathak derived its name from the Kathika or the storytellers who recited verses from the epics with gestures and music. During the Mughal era, the dance form degenerated into lascivious style and branched off its court इंटू कोट डांस ये क्वेश्चन कि मुगल से कौन सा डांस इन्फ्लुएंस हुआ था ये क्वेश्चन जेपीएससी 2021 में पूछा गया है इट वाज आल्सो इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय पर्शियन कॉस्ट्यूम्स एंड स्टाइल ऑफ dancing the classical style of kathak was revived by lady leela shokhe in the 20th century some of the features of kathak are as follows an important feature of kathak is the development of different gharanas as it is based on hindustani style of music Lucknow reached its peak under the reign of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. It puts more importance on expression and grace. Jaipur, initiated by Bhanuji, it emphasized fluency, speed, and long rhythmic patterns. Raigad, it developed under the patronage of Raja Chakradhar Singh. It is unique in its emphasis on percussion music. Banaras, it developed under Janaki Prasad. It sees a greater use of floor and lays special emphasis on symmetry. Kathak dance form is characterized by the use of intricate footwork and pirouettes. The elements of Kathak recitals are as follows. Ananda, or the introductory item through which the dancer enters the stage. That comprises soft and varied movement. Todas and tukdas are small pieces of fast rhythm. Jugalbandi is the main attraction of Kathak recital, which shows a competitive play between the dancer and the tabla player. Padant is a special feature in which the dancer recites complicated bowls and demonstrates them. Tarana is similar to Thilana, which comprises pure rhythmic movement before the end. Kramalaya is the concluding piece comprising intricate and fast footwork. Gat Bhav is dance without any music or chanting. This is used to outline different mythological episodes. Kathak is generally accompanied with Dhrupad music. Taranas, Thumris, and ghazals were also introduced during the Mughal period. Famous proponents सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बिरजू महाराज इन पे क्वेश्चन सीएससी 2007 यूपीपीसीएस 1992 1990 2005 एमपीपीसीएस 1993 1992 एंड लच्छो महाराज पे क्वेश्चन यूपीपीसीएस 2008 एंड 2009 में पूछा जा चुका है तो ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सेगमेंट है जितना भी हमने पढ़ा उसमें नेक्स्ट अगर हम बात करें तो इट इज अबाउट सातरिया सातरिया कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है आसाम से एंड सीएससी 2014 में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन इस पूरे डांस पे ही आया हुआ है एक क्वेश्चन तो सातरिया डांस इन मॉडर्न फॉर्म वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वैष्णव सेन शंकर देव इन द 15th century AD इन आसाम सबसे पहले आसाम से एसोसिएटेड है ऑल्सो ये वैष्णवाइट से एसोसिएटेड है ये भी क्वेश्चन 2014 में स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है the art form derives its name from the Vaishnava monasteries known as Satras, where it is primarily practiced. It finds mention in the ancient text Natya Shastra of sage Bharat Muni. It is inspired from the Bhakti movement. Sorry. Some of the features of Satriya dance include the following. The dance form was an amalgamation of various dance forms prevalent in Assam, mainly Ojapali and Devadasi. The focus of the Satriya recital is to own the devotional aspect of dance and narrate mythological stories of Vishnu. The Satriya dance also include नृत्य and नाट्य, music, dance and drama और ये CSC 2014 में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है कि तीनों एलिमेंट्स इस डांस में होते हैं या नहीं तो होते हैं. The dance is generally performed in a group by male monks known as bhokots as a part of their daily ritual or even on festivals. Khol, drums, cymbals, manjira, and the flute form the major accompanying instrument of this dance form. The songs are a composition of Shankar Dev known as Borgeets. There is great emphasis on rhythmic syllables and dance postures along with footwork. It combines with lasya and tandav elements. The Satriya dance tradition has strictly laid down rules in respect to hand gestures and footwork, and it plays a very important role. Costumes worn by male are called dhoti and pagdi turban, while female dancers wear traditional Assamese jewelries, ghuri and chador, made in pat silk. Waist cloth is worn by both men and women. In modern times, Satriya dance has evolved into two separate streams: the Bhayankar, sorry, the Gayan Bhayanar Nach and Kharmanar Nach. Ankiya Nat, a type of Satriya, it involves play or musical drama. It was originally written in a mix of Assamese and Maithili language called Brajavali. Another similar form is Bhavna. which is based on stories of Lord Krishna. To date, the Sangeet Natak Academy has recognized eight classical dance forms, whereas Ministry of Culture has recognized nine dance forms, including छऊ. छऊ कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है? ये आप पता लगाएं. छऊ से भी काफी क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं. सीएससी में तो उतने नहीं, बट हाँ बाकी एग्जाम्स में आए हुए हैं. ये आपका होमवर्क है एक तरह से आप मान लें. Next is Gaudiya Nritya, West Bengal. Gaudiya Nritya is a Bengali classical dance whose name traces its origin to Gaur, the capital city of Bengal, once upon a time. It is believed that this dance has its root in the Natya Shastra. During the Bhakti movement, it is said that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu revived Gaudiya Nritya. The sculptures of this dance form have also been noted on the walls of many temples of Bengal. Later, the dance form was reconstructed by Mahua Mukherjee. However, this dance has not yet been recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy as a classical dance form. ठीक है, तो हमने क्लासिकल डांसेस सारे कवर कर लिए हैं. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल स्टार्ट विद द फोक डांसेस ऑफ इंडिया. So, till then, keep watching Ghatna Sutra, keep learning, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye.